Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the product not publishing on Gumroad in 2026. Are you trying to publish your products on Gumroad, but it won't go live? In today's video, I'll show you the most common reasons why a product won't publish and how to fix them quickly. Now let's start by following these few simple steps. The first thing you want to do is to complete all required fields. You gotta make sure your product has a title. For example, I'm just gonna go to the product section and I'm gonna click on new products. And here you're gonna name the product. As you can see, it has to have a title, a description, a price, and you can upload files or content and a cover image. Once you do that, now missing required information can block publishing. Also, you're gonna check the pricing. As you can see here you can set the price in the price section. You can choose the coin and also how much the price. Ensure your price isn't set to zero unless you intentionally want it to free. Third thing you want to do is to verify the payment setup. If your payout details aren't completed, Gumroad may restrict publishing. So you're going to go to the settings in the left bar here, and you're going to go to the payment. Now here, you're going to make sure now that and confirm your payout method is active. After that, you're going to check the accounts verification. Now, unverified accounts may have limited functionalities, so check the accounts verification and refresh or try another browser. Sometimes it's just a browser glitch, so you're gonna click on the refresh button in your web browser. Now, after publishing, double check that the product's visibility is set to public and not drafts. Now, most publishing issues come from incomplete settings, so review everything carefully and your product should go live smoothly. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.